Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kirpa classes. Our today's topic is probability part 4. After going through this course, the students will understand that probability refers to the likelihood or chance of a particular event or outcome occurring. Probability is often expressed as a value between 0 and 1. If we say that the probability is 0, it means that the event is impossible to happen. If we say that the probability is 1, it means that the event is sure to happen. If the probability lies somewhere between 0 and 1, it shows the varying degree of likelihood of the occurring of an event. If we want to calculate the probability of an event, then the formula for the same is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Probability axiom or probability bounds indicate that the value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. Probability of an event is always greater than or equal to 0. Then the probability of an event is always less than or equal to 1. That is, the probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1, both 0 and 1 inclusive. For any event, the sum of probability of happening of an event and the probability of not happening of the event is equal to 1. Is also used in real life situations such as weather forecasting and stock market investing. In case of weather forecasting, the meteorological department tells us the probability of the likelihood of the rain coming. If we the prediction or the probability is that it will be likely raining, then we may make further decisions like whether we should carry umbrella with us or we should not go outside at all if the rain forecast is on the heavy side. In the same case, the probability concept is also used in stock market investing, because if is the probability of rising of the stock price, the investors invest in the particular stock, and in the same way the concept of probability is also used in finding out the probability of likelihood of the risks which may incur if we invest in a particular stock. Then these are the few questions which we will solve in this course. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.